Looking to scan your patient's unloaded plantar surface with SAM? Here's how you can do it. First, select the Plantar Surface Unloaded protocol. Ensure you're set to scan the correct foot. The left foot is selected by default. Then press the Scan button. First, place your patient's knee on a flat, raised surface to stabilize their foot. Next, scan the foot's plantar surface, moving gradually from right to left while holding your device at a slight angle. Slowly move up to the heel, rotating your device as you scan it. Finally, lower your device to scan the toes. Remember, keep an eye on this colored icon as you go to ensure you're scanning at the right distance. After about 15 seconds, tap or say stop to complete and review your scan.